Welcome to the Jams YouTube channel. Today we present BMW 8 Series G15 pollen filter location and replacement. In today's video, I'll show you where the pollen filter is located and how to replace it on the BMW 8 Series G15. The car we're working on is a 2022 BMW 850i, and as you can see, the exterior design has a distinct sporty look. Here's a quick look inside the cabin. To keep everything clean, I've covered the driver's seat, steering wheel, and floor mat so we don't leave any marks or stains while working. The pollen filter is located on the right-hand side, underneath the glove box. To replace it, start by removing the cover. Turn the two clips counterclockwise. Lower the cover just enough to access the light connector, and unplug it. The pollen filter sits right under this cover. You'll need a TX20 screwdriver to remove the two screws holding it in place. Take off the cover, then pull out the old filters. The original BMW part number for the filter is 64.11.5A1.3761. Install the new filters in their slots. Secure the cover back in place. Reconnect the condensation drain hose. And tighten the screws. Finally, reinstall the lower glove box cover, and don't forget to reconnect the footwell light plug. I hope you found this video useful. I'll be back soon with more interesting videos. To make sure you don't miss more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.